in a dry stretch that's a little unusual for December.
Yeah, a grand total of 8 days so far.
Of dry weather?
Of dry weather, yeah. And typically December is our wettest month of the year, so come on, Mother Nature. We need it. Yeah, get on it.
Step on it.
And she will. All good things will come with a bit of patience as we march our way towards the weekend and those rain potentials start to increase. As we take a live look right now out over a dry downtown Portland, those clouds are starting to increase across our area. 42 degrees. Keep in mind those clouds acting a bit like a blanket, stopping the heat from escaping back out into space as the winds are out of the east-southeast at about 10 miles per hour at this point in time, as many of us are hugging the low 40s. Now keep in mind over the past several days our temperatures at this point in time had already fallen into the upper 30s, so improvements, although they are small. As we work our way through the rest of this evening, we will see those temperatures slide back as the clouds continue to kind of move in and out about our area. As we take a live look at the cloudy conditions you can see out towards the Ridgefield area thanks to our A camera. Seeing some improvements as far as the visibility goes in places like Eugene and Springfield. Visibility only to a mile, but the rest of us holding on to the 10-mile visibility as some of that fog has the potential to move its way further to the north. As a dense fog advisory is in effect south of our forecasting area, low visibility likely as we continue to keep a tight grip on this air stagnation advisory, taking us all the way now through 4 a.m. on Saturday. The National Weather Service just kind of keeps extending this and has done so for a little over a week. But eventually we'll see it come to an end as this cloud coverage pushes its way back over shore, increasing that rain potential as we're already starting to see some of those prefrontal clouds move their way back into our region as high pressure has kept us stable and dry over the past 8 days or so as we prepare for the stronger low pressure system and trailing trough to eventually bring back that rain potential for Saturday and into Sunday. And that does bring snow back to the Cascades as the patchy fog layer develops tonight into the start of the day tomorrow. Friday, it's dry, likely to hold on to a few more clouds than what we saw today before the wet weather starts to march its way on shore. This is a snapshot of about 5 a.m. on Saturday, but watch as we move our way through the brunt of the day. Some of the heaviest of the rain anticipated during the afternoon hours as we slowly dry things out Saturday night and into Sunday, putting an end to that 8-day streak where we last saw measurable rainfall on November 27th with only 1/100th inch of rain. Likely to see those numbers skyrocket closer to about 3/4 of an inch to a full inch for the coastal spots as snow elevation levels drop back down to about 3,500 feet for this weekend. That's going to help to build up the base layer of our ski resorts that have slowly started to dwindle due to the warmer and drier conditions we've been seeing as of late. But Mount Hood itself could potentially pick up on those ski slopes, close to a foot of additional snow as our snow elevation level again drops down to about 3,500 feet. So tonight here in the city, increasing that cloud coverage, patchy fog likely as we fall back into the mid-30s. For the kiddos tomorrow morning, 38 degrees is our expected bus stop forecast. And by the time the kiddos head home, we'll try the upper 40s for us. But I really think our end goal is going to be right around 51 or so with a few more clouds in the mix and our winds out the southeast at about 5 to 10. So yes, the rain is on the way. Timing, maybe less than ideal if you got some outdoor activities planned for Saturday into Sunday, but you'll notice daytime highs and overnight lows eventually starting to rebound. Low 50s when our average daytime high temperature this time of year should be right around 49. We'll get back to that average by the time we get to Monday with drying skies and the return of some sunshine. And we do dry things out for the next several days next week, keeping those temperatures chilly for the early morning lows in the 30s. And then the rain slowly starts to creep its way back into our forecast by the end of next week. But again, Saturday, Sunday may be seeing about 3/4 of an inch to an inch, inch and a quarter. All a possibility. The greatest rain amounts will be found along the coast.
All right. Yeah, I guess we really need that rain, though.
We
We do. We'll be right back. Stick around.